Hey guys, welcome and thank you for stopping by this short video. My name is Troy Robison, and if you like and subscribe and share this video, I'm going to give you a special bonus, all right? All you gotta do is text me, my number's gonna be below, and say I shared it, and I'm either gonna give you a big discount on a program or I'm gonna give you 50,000 fresh leads that you can do with as you would like. So I wanna show you today, I'm gonna talk to you about Club Cash Fund, Mailbox Cash. Look, this is a really good side gig. I mean, look at this hair. I am coming to you from sunny, hot Florida, and it is hot out here. Getting ready to take the kids to the beach. I am not a professional video dude. All I do is share what's on my heart, and I got, if you do some research, you'll see that multi-millionaires have multiple income streams, usually 7, 8, 10. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build 7 income streams. And every time that I get into a program and it works and I get paid, then I automatically start to share it through video and social media, because if I can do it fresh out of high school barely, anybody can do it, right? And before I show you this program and walk you through what it can do for you, I want to show you what I got in the mail. Now, this Monday today, right? It is Monday, and last Monday is when I got plugged into this program through a buddy of mine that was showing me his results, and I was absolutely amazed. So I ordered my free kit, and it came in the mail. I'll show you. The free kit, no matter what, you got to order your free kit today, ASAP. I'll show you how. But a couple days later, I got my kit, right? It is awesome. It comes with an envelope. It's an 8-page letter. This 8-page letter is going to explain exactly the power of this program, Club Cash Fund. And so that was last Monday. And on Wednesdays, whatever takes place in your Cash Club Fund back office, he sends that cash out. So yesterday, what's today? Yeah, Saturday, I got this in the mail. So I want to open it for you real quick. I got this in the mail, and this is cool right here. This is what you get. That's the envelope. Where are we at? So on Monday, from Monday, Tuesday, I had 2 people come in, right? So I got $40 cash. And look here, personalized letter. Hey, Troy, come on now. $40 commission. Guys, listen to me. I know this is not going to impress anybody, but for the entrepreneurs and the go-getters that can understand what I'm about to show you, in 2 days, you get real cash sent to you. And this comes week after week. This is 20 now. It'll be 200 next week. And in a few weeks, it'll be 2,000. Why? Because once you understand exponential growth in this program, you will absolutely lose sleep. So let me go through what this program is. And I'm going to put a link in the description. And I want you to go through what I'm about to show you using that link, because that's going to attach you to me. And the reason you want to do that is because we have a team rotator set up. The company has a team rotator set up, which I just got a good sign up through a couple days ago. I might show you in just a second here. So I want you to go through this site, how to turn 100. Hey girl, doing a video. You want to come say hi real quick? They're out there selling lemonade on the side of the road. Say hi, this is my little baby girl. This is why I do everything. Me and her ride out. Go do lemonade in the heat, 110 degrees out here. Okay, snacks in the open sign. Who else does videos where kids running in and out? Nobody. Okay, so you'll go to this link, you'll pull up this page, and hit access now, and put your real info in, because you want to. It's that powerful. Now look, this video right here fully explains everything, and when I tell you you need to watch this a couple times, it's 6 minutes long. That's it. You watch this video and understand the power of exponential growth with this program, $100 one time. No monthly fees, no extra fees that are hidden. Love you too, honey. $100 one time, and you can turn that into $5,000, $10,000. It is legit, it is real, and it's powerful. So watch this video a couple times, and then come on down here and take action now. This is going to lead you to the main capture page for Club Cash Fund. All right? I want you to put your info in. Okay? I'll see if I can put something in that I haven't used before. Let's try that one. All right? And click Get Access. And it's going to take you to this page. All right? This is how you order your free kit. You want to order your free kit immediately. And then, if you don't want to wait until you get your kit in the mail 3 or 4 days to pay the $100 and to get started, contact me with my information below, and I'm going to show you how you get started today using Zelle Pay app straight to Chad, and he'll activate you. You'll get your email, and you'll be in your back office, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But watch this short video, all right? You can hear from a few members coming up, and then he'll order your starter kit. So here in a second, you'll hear Chad talking, and I'll come back to this in a second and I'll show you the application that you fill out. You have to have the starter kit because that is what gives you your ID number. Ordering the starter kit gives you your ID number, okay? So it's very important that you get that, all right? So while he's chatting, I'm going to go over to my back office and show you. This is my back office, okay? This is what's happening so far in 7 days. All right. We got two. This is the kits that are pending. This is me, first level. 12 people have already been mailed their kits. 2 are pending. Every time a kit gets mailed, you get an email. Every time you get cash, you get an email. I mean, this thing is on point. He's a genius. My second level, once you watch the video, you'll understand this, is someone that I put in started putting people in. So I got 57 kits there, right? Half of them will upgrade and get rocking and rolling. Then, third position will be all those people in the second position that bring people in. And then you'll start to lose your mind. Once you understand that, let me show you what this means. See, I've already got a lead from a rotator. The company rotator is already sending me a strong lead, right? Here's my website. In a week, 163 hits, 21 leads, 14 people requested, and I've got 3 members, just me. Now, if it was just me working this business, that's good all by itself, because I can continue to do it every week. But when you start to understand the power of the levels and how this rolls up to you as a team effort, it's amazing, right? And then he has the kits. He tells you what's been ordered, what's already been sent and delivered. These 2 are from today, I believe, the 24th. Yes, yes, right. Hey, look here. You don't even pay for postage and mailing. Everything he does, the kits, everything, you don't pay. It's a free kit for the person, and it's a free kit for you. And every day, as he shows money on the screen, is showing you how much you saved and how much he spent building your business for you. I mean, this is phenomenal. This is a phenomenal opportunity. So let's go back to, oh my goodness, where did I put it? See if it's popped up yet. There it is. So you can call this number, all right? Listen to some of the testimonies. You want to fill this out completely with your correct information because this is what's going to be in the database, and this is what's going to connect you to your sponsor, me, and your websites and everything else. Check this. Yes, you have $100 in a week. And check the agree. And once you do that and you hit request your kit, it's going to pop up a new screen with me as your sponsor, my ID, you and your ID. I want you to write that ID down, although it does come in your free kit, right? I want you to write that number down, and then we'll get in contact with each other. Either you contact me or I'll contact you right away. And we'll get that 100 sent over to him immediately so you'll have your back office set up and ready to roll. And then you can get in our team rotator as a personal team, and you can also get in the company rotator. And this will be 30, and this will be 600 in a couple of weeks. And it will continue to grow and grow and grow, and I'm telling you, it will not stop. So this is absolutely an amazing opportunity for anybody that's looking for a side gig that they want to spend a couple hours a week on, sharing with a few people that's going to share with a few, And I'll just give you a quick example before I go. 15 years ago when I got involved with home-based businesses, I had a buddy of mine come up to me and said, let me ask you a question. If you had a choice between $100,000 now or a penny doubled a day for 30 days, which one would you take? Well, instant gratification for 99% of the people want to take this $100,000, right? So that's what I said. I'll take $100,000. He said, what a mistake. I'm like, what do you mean? He said, a penny doubled a day for 30 days. Now, a penny doubled a day for 30 days is over $5 million. You can get on a calculator, you can test it, and I'm telling you, that's the power of exponential growth, right? And that's what this company offers. Exponential growth, rotators, a website, sending out all of your kits for free, sending you your money for free. I'm telling you, this will be a game changer, and it's going to be a heck of a force to be reckoned with in the MLM, affiliate marketing, online business world, okay? And right now, as it's fresh and new, only a couple months old, you want to get involved with us as we build momentum, speed, and turn that one penny in 30 days, 30 weeks, 30 months into that $5 million double a day for 30-day scenario. So God bless you. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Please subscribe and like this channel, share it, and definitely, no matter what, get off, call me, text me, order your free kit through what I just showed you at the link below so that you can be on my team and we can make some big things happen. And I can put you in my rotator as well and help you grow your business while you're continuing on doing your day-to-day things so that we can get you on the job killing side of things. Because the JOB, jail operating business, we want to get rid of that. So God bless you. Peace out.